FireTexts AI is one of the most exciting releases in the AI space right now, and if you're looking to level up your marketing, customer service, or sales strategies, you need to know about it. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 key things you should know about FireTexts AI and why it could be a game changer for your business. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one, especially if you're new to FireTexts. First off, let's talk about the core feature of FireTexts AI, its ability to create personalized, automated SMS campaigns at scale. Unlike other platforms that might struggle with personalization, FireTexts uses advanced AI to craft messages that sound natural, engaging, and tailored to your audience. This means you can send bulk texts to your customers, but they won't feel like they're part of a mass marketing effort. It feels personal, which is key in boosting engagement and building trust. The second point you need to know is its powerful segmentation and targeting features. FireTexts AI allows you to target specific groups of customers based on their behavior, location, and engagement history. This means you can send the right message to the right person at the right time, improving your chances of conversion. If you've ever struggled with sending generic messages that don't connect with your audience, this will feel like a breath of fresh air. Third, FireText has an intuitive, user-friendly interface that makes it easy for anyone to get started, even if you've never worked with AI before. The setup process is straightforward, and you can be up and running in minutes. It's designed with businesses of all sizes in mind, so whether you're a startup or an established company, you can scale your messaging efforts without needing to be a tech expert. Now, let's talk about its automation. FireTexts AI doesn't just send messages, it automates the entire process, from lead generation to follow-up. Imagine setting up a series of automated texts that go out to your leads based on their actions or responses. This level of automation can save you hours of manual work, allowing you to focus on more strategic aspects of your business. Another crucial feature is its integration with existing CRM systems. FireTexts works seamlessly with popular CRMs, meaning you don't have to worry about manually syncing data or losing valuable customer insights. All your communication data stays in one place, making it easier to track performance and improve your campaigns over time. Next, FireTexts offers detailed analytics and reporting, giving you insight into how your campaigns are performing in real time. You can track open rates, response rates, and even see which messages are driving the most conversions. This data is invaluable for refining your strategy and ensuring that your campaigns continue to improve. The 7th and final thing you need to know is that FireTexts AI offers a free trial, so you can test it out for yourself before committing. If you're skeptical, there's no risk involved in giving it a shot. And to make it even easier, I've included a link in the description where you can try FireTexts for free. Don't miss out on this opportunity to see if this tool is the right fit for your business. To wrap things up, after trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say FireTexts AI is one of the most promising ones on the market. It's designed to help you scale your business effortlessly and create personalized, engaging marketing campaigns. If you want to get started, check out the link in the description for your free trial and my recommended AI tools that can elevate your business even further. Thanks for watching.